free domain and hosting for WordPress website. So I'm having a link in the video description of this platform. Just click on it and then to bring you right here to this website. Okay, so what you have to do is just come here and then click on explore hosting options, and then you can choose any of the hosting, but we are going to select the WordPress hosting. Okay, so this one, then you click on it. So when you select it, they are going to provide you with this. Okay, so what you have to do is to just come here where we have see pricing and then click on the pricing. Okay, so they are going to show you with their pricing plan that you can choose from, but don't worry, we want it for free. Okay, so just come down, scroll down, and then where we have the 125 megabyte free web hosting plan, just come here. This is the one that we are going to select. Okay, so just come down here where we have the learn more. Okay, just come and then come and select the learn more. Okay, so when you click on it, it is going to bring you right here, and then this is what you are going to get from the free plan. Okay, so when you come down here where it says start for free, just come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, this is what you are going to get from the free plan. You are going to get 125 megabytes forever free plan. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get 10 gigabytes SSD for the website. Okay, so just stick with me. So what you have to do is just come and then click on selected, and then just come here where we have the order summary. Just come here and then come and check the box that you have, read their terms of service, and then come and click on check out. Okay, so when you click on checkout, what you have to do now is that you have to put in a domain name if you don't have one already. Okay, so just come here and then come and put in the domain name, and then come here and then select either the .com, the .blog, or whatever. And then what you have to do next is to come and click on the search. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm going to put in blogging tools plus, and then I'm simply come here and then come and click on the search. Okay, so when you click on the search, you will see that it is loading. So let's wait for a while. So after waiting for a while, you will see that the blogging tools plus is available, and then I'm to pay 17.89 cents dollars. Okay, if you have the money, don't worry, all that you have to do is that you have to go ahead and then pay it. Okay, but if you don't have the money, let me show you how to get a free subdomain. So where it says use a free subdomain from WebHostMost, just click on it, and with the free subdomain you are going to have this added to your domain name. Okay, so this will be added to the domain name. Don't worry, it is free, that is why. So all that you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have selected the domain name that you want, and then come here and then click on the check. Okay, so when you click on the check, as you can see, the domain name is here. So this is my subdomain, and I can go ahead and do the registration. Okay, so what you have to do now is that you have to select the saver location, the one that is closer to you. Okay, so you can select any of these. The United States, we have the Belgium, we have the Asia, you can select any of them. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the United States. Okay, so when you are done, what you have to do is that just come here and then click on create a new account. You can create a new account with your Gmail, or you can even put the information in manually. Okay, so what you have to do is just put in your first name, then you put in your last name, then you have to put in your phone number, and then your email address, active email address. So the next thing that you have to do is that you have to set your billing address by putting your company name. It is optional. If you don't want, you can leave it, and then you can also come here and then select your country. Okay, by clicking on the arrow, and then the address too is optional, but you have to put in the street address 1. Okay, after that, what you have to do is to just come down here where you have the city, come and then put in the city name, and then the state name as well, and then put in the postal code. Okay, after that, you have to create an account security. All that you have to do is that you have to create a strong password. You can click on generate password to create one for you automatically. So this is created automatically. You can copy it somewhere because you are going to use it. Just click on generate new if you don't want it, and then just come here and then click on copy to clipboard and insert. So as you can see, it has been generated a password, and then it has confirmed it for us, and then it is strong. Okay, so we can go ahead and then use that password. What you have to do now is that you have to check for their newsletter if you want it, but if you don't want it, you can uncheck the box, and when you check it, all that they are going to send to you are promotional mails. Okay, that you are going to get directly from them. So after that, you have to give them the domain registration information, By default, they are going to use the information you have provided. And the next thing is the payment details, okay? So they accept credit card, and if you don't have credit card, there are no worries. You can use the credit card alternative, okay? By selecting PayPal. If you have PayPal account, you can select PayPal or the crypto. And you don't even have to have the account. You can select it because it's not mandatory for you to put in your PayPal account, okay? You'll be allowed to create it by simply checking the PayPal, okay? So when you are done, just come here where we have the checkout, come and then click on checkout. And as you can see, our order confirmation is here, and then we have our order being placed, okay? So as you see here, our order being placed, and then we can click on continue to client area, okay? So we have created our account, and then we are in our dashboard. But as you can see, we have to verify our email address, okay? So if you want to verify, just go to your email address, but always make sure to come and click on recent verification mail so that they can send it again, okay? So when you come here, you can simply click on verify your email, or you can click on the link. So let's click on the link. So when you click on the link, as you can see, our email verification has been successful, and then our email address has been verified, okay? So we can now continue to the client area by simply clicking here, okay? So the next thing that we have to do is that we have to install our WordPress. All that you have to do is just click on login to the direct admin, and when you look here, we are in our control panel. So over here where we have website management, click on the down arrow and then come and select advanced installer hoop, okay? Just click on it. And when you click on it, as you can see, so over here where we have the blogs at the top left hand corner, just come and then select the blog by clicking on the right arrow, and then you can see we have WordPress here. Just click on the WordPress, and WordPress will come and we can install it. So as you can see, the WordPress is here. Simply come to the installation and then click on the arrow and then select quick install, okay? So the next thing that you have to do is that you have to come and then check. As you can see, our subdomain is here, and then come and see that the in directory is empty, just like this one, okay? So the next thing that you have to do is that you have to check if you are having the latest version of the WordPress, okay? So this is the latest version so far. Just select that one and then just come down here where we have the admin user. Just leave the admin user, this one, and then you can create admin password by simply clicking on the key sign to generate a new one, and then copy it down because you are going to use it to log in, okay? So when you are done, just come here and then click on install. So after clicking on install, with few minutes WordPress will be installed, and as you can see, we have successfully installed our WordPress, okay? So after successful installation, we can simply log into our WordPress dashboard by simply clicking on this URL, okay? So let's come and then click on it, and then we will be logged in directly into our WordPress dashboard. We can visit our site by simply going to my blog and then click on visit site, okay? So as you can see, we have successfully installed our WordPress, and then we have our site here. The most important thing is this one. So the site information, when you click on it, as you can see, connection is secure. When you click on the arrow, it will come that the connection is secured and our certificate is valid. So it means that our SSL was installed automatically. So when you go back to our dashboard, we can simply change the appearance of our WordPress by simply going to the appearance, and then you have to come to the themes and then select that one. And what you have to do is that you have to go to add new themes, and then you click on it, and within the popular themes we can select any of the themes of our choice. One of the popular theme that most people use is the Astra, okay? So with the Astra, we can preview it by simply coming here to click on the preview, and this is how our website will look like. Very nice, and then we can customize it to fit our preferences. So this is how to get a free domain and hosting for your WordPress website. As I told you earlier, I'm going to show you how to get 10 gigabyte SSD storage for your website, and I'm having that video right on my channel. Just go to the channel, watch it, and get that 10 gigabyte SSD storage for your web hosting. So like the video, and then see you in my next video.